It took a few years, but actor Rob Lowe has finally managed to sell his majestic Montecito estate for an equally majestic price. The $45.5 million off-market deal is one of the priciest to ever close in the celeb-studded Seaside Enclave, and is perhaps the largest since 2001, when Oprah Winfrey paid $50 million for her world-famous and ever-expanding compound, the so-called Promised Land estate. Known as Oakview, the 10,000-square-foot Georgian-style manor is sited on a 3.4-acre lot in a neighborhood filled to the brim with other Megamansions. The East Coast-style mansion was inspired by the Antebellum architecture that graces the Virginian countryside, and is clad in white clapboard and accented with striking black shutters. Inside, the place was completely tailored for the Lowes by a small army of designers, while the impeccably manicured, park-like grounds are understated but very luxurious. 4 Doric columns stand guard in front of the Greek Revival-style portico, which features a black coffered door. Inside, the styling follows the same grandiosity as the exterior, albeit with a modern twist. Pure white walls, handsome hardwood floors, bespoke architectural details, and recessed lighting can be found throughout the space. The formal living room boasts an oversized, traditional-style fireplace with an elaborate, all-white mantel, a series of 3 motorized pocket glass doors that lead out to the patio, and delicate, handcrafted moldings. The kitchen is luxuriously roomy and offers an oversized island that works overtime as a food prep area and a breakfast bar. The kitchen also offers a tongue and groove coffered ceiling, Carrara marble countertops, and chef's grade appliances, including an industrial-sized gas range. Adjoining the breakfast bar, there's a casual dining area located underneath a modern chandelier. On more posh occasions, meals can be taken in the mansion's formal dining area, a regal space that boasts tastefully coffered walls, custom crown molding, fancy brown wall sconces, and a show-stopping chandelier. For large events, there's also a secondary catering kitchen located in the basement, connected to the dining room via an old-fashioned dumbwaiter. Conveniently, each of the house's guests and family rooms have their own ensuite bathroom. The elegantly subdued master suite is stunning, with an obligatory fireplace, a private balcony, plus plenty of built-in shelving for the avid book collector. There are dual marble bathrooms and a boutique-style dressing room. Outdoors, an approximately 800-square-foot Greek Revival-style poolside cabana has 1 bedroom and bathroom. And there's also a standalone 2-bedroom, 2-bath guest cottage. The grounds of the property are just as magnificent as one would expect, with verdantly lush gardens, multiple ancient oaks, lavender-lined paths lead to all of the luxe of al fresco amenities, including a 55-foot swimming pool and a sunken tennis court.